If all the recipe books fail, you just opt to use the good old family recipe tucked in between some book pages. I have recorded this plum cake a few times with those other recipes, but apparently family recipes just don't fail you. So here we go! First off, we need to make the dough with some flour, sugar, yeast, either kind works, 1 egg, some room temperature milk, and finally some oil. Give that a good stir with either your hand or a good spoon and start kneading until you get a nice non-sticky dough. Close it off and let it rest in a warm place until we're done with the star of the show, the plums. Try to get ripe but firm ones and cut through the middle of them. Remove the stone and you're done, to be honest. But as you can see me gesticulating, I mean to tell you that if your plums are bigger than this, you should not only halve them but quarter them lengthwise. They wouldn't bake through and would be too heavy for the dough otherwise. Considering that the removal of the stones took you about half an hour, your dough should be ready. It has gone up quite a bit, as you can see. Now get this on your biggest tray and stretch it out to the right size. I oiled up my fingers and pushed and pulled it to the right places. You could roll it out, but moving a big thin piece of dough is an art that I have not mastered yet. I mean, I'm just no pizza baker. When that's done, put all those plum pieces onto the dough the way we do it here. That can take a bit, but the more the merrier. Then let this rest for about 15 to 20 minutes in a warm place. And as you can see here, the dough continues working and lifts those plums up. Now it's time for the oven. Bake this delicious fruitcake for about 30 minutes. Let it cool off and enjoy this as soon as possible. Fruitcake tastes best when it's fresh, though for plum cake I'm more of a day after gal. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Please make sure to drop a like and tell us which fruitcake you like the best in the comments below. I probably would go with apple. Thank you for watching till the end and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday!